Hey, it's Dave Altavilla for Hot Hardware here at PAX East in Boston, PAX 2020. I'm here with Mike from Thermaltake, and he's got some interesting new systems here, the LCGS, and a workshop that you're doing here as well. Mike, tell us what you got going on.
Hey, well, we're real excited to be here for PAX East 2020. Really showcasing LCGS as a new product division that we've opened up here that we launched back in October. And then of course, yeah, behind here and with the workshop that we're doing, we're showing the DIYers, you know, what you could do to get into hard tubing, as well as being able to show them that we can offer a full turnkey solution as well, just at the same time, so they could, you know, either custom configure it or buy a static build that we sell as well online, or just come check out the parts, see how to build it, and maybe go home and do some stuff themselves.
Sure, so you actually have pre-built systems on LCGS now. That's what's behind us. Those are pre-built and sold by you guys.
Correct.
And then you also sell the kits, what you're saying, to do the DIY part of it yourself.
Yeah, I think one of the biggest advantages we have is we're the manufacturer. Yeah. So being able to be the manufacturer of the products that we use and we build in with the systems, we allow the option for users that, you know, might not want to dive all the way in and get a turnkey solution and make it easy for themselves, or if they want to learn more and really get into liquid cooling, we have all the components and parts from, you know, the kits that we offer that just includes the whole thing that you would get in there, takes a lot of the worry about what you need, and or just the individual parts too, to be able to make something really unique.
Nice, so you're showing people how to bend tubes and all kinds of crazy stuff like that?
Absolutely. I mean, one of the things I'm all about is being able to stay tubed, baby. We always try to stay tubed here at Thermaltake, and yeah, we're doing live bends, being able to show people how everything goes together, how to bend a tube, get an idea of like what it's all about, to be able to do hard tube bending, why fittings matter, why inserts matter, and just, you know, putting everything together. You know, the goal is to connect A to B. And we're just trying to show people a better way to do it so they can maybe take it home and do it themselves.
And LCGS is an acronym for?
Liquid Cooled Gaming Systems.
My gosh, wouldn't you know? Thanks, Mike. It's great to see you again.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I appreciate you guys coming out, and thanks for being here for PAX.